Guys, I think it's here. It's here. Oh. The carbon hood for the Z is finally here, guys. Crazy. Guys, it's been like 3 months. Like, dead ass 3 months. The Z looks chopped right now, but it's alright. Dude, I can't wait for this. Need my autograph?
You like them fast, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll show you. You'll like it. Check out the headlight. What is that? Is that
A turbo.
A turbo?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, damn, dude.
Yeah, you guys, you can set that up against the car right there. Jeez, guys, there it is. The hood is finally here, bro. I've been talking about it for months. I got this hood like 3 months ago, bro. I'm finally getting it. And I actually was outside whenever they pulled up. That's crazy. The Z looks crazy. I've been taking apart the, let me show you guys. I've been taking apart the rear duckbill. And so it looks crazy right now. I need to finish picking at it. As you guys can see, it's just Bondo. Yeah. It's, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, bro. I just need to take it off, and I think I'm just gonna take the whole thing off and just sand it all down. If you guys don't notice already, you guys may be able to tell that there's a quality difference on the camera. We got a new camera today. Like I said in the last video, shout out to Angela for the new camera. So let me go ahead and tell you what we're getting into today. You guys probably know from the title of this video, the Z is absolutely filthy right now, and you guys can see I've been like chipping at getting this wing off. First, before I do anything, I need to wash the car because it's absolutely filthy. The wheels are filthy, everything is filthy. There's like pollen all over it and everything, bro. But yeah, we're gonna get the car all clean, looking nice for me to put the new hood on. So that's what we're getting into today. Well guys, the Z is all cleaned up now. I know the back is chopped, bro. You don't have to tell me. Z's all cleaned up, looking like a car again and whatnot. It's getting really cloudy outside, so running out of sunlight. I don't got that much sunlight, so if I put the carbon hood on, it ain't gonna be busting until probably like tomorrow or something. So I'm stuck, dude. I can't wait. The whole front end's gonna be black. It's gonna look black, and the whole car is gonna be silver or gray. So it's gonna look kind of off whenever I put it on, but you know, that's how it's gonna be until I get the new color on. So you guys get the before. Give you guys some before clips. All right, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box real quick. They're about to cut some grass down there, and I know you guys don't really want to see me open up a box, so I'm gonna just speed it up and yeah. Okay guys, so without wasting any more time, I'm making so much noise. Without wasting any more time, we're gonna go ahead and get the stock hood off real quick. This should be easy, just 4 bolts, 2 bolts on each side, pull that thing off, and the stock hood actually isn't that heavy. So I think the carbon hood might actually be a little heavier than the stock hood, if I'm being honest, because I had a carbon hood before. It wasn't this brand. I don't know, we'll see. But it wasn't this brand, but low-key, the carbon one's a little heavier than the OEM one, so we'll see right now. Now, all we gotta do is grab this hood, put the new hood on there. Let me know if you feel like the new hood is heavier than the one that we just took off. because it's supposed to be lighter, but I feel like it's gonna be heavier.
Oh yeah, that hood was so light.
Yeah. So we ran into a little issue. For some reason, the hood latch isn't locking down in place. I'm literally like slamming it down, basically, and it's still not locking into place. It's just letting it pop right back up. I'm not sure if I'm missing something or I don't know something. Is there something that y'all know that I don't? Let me know, because, dude, I really don't know. It's like, I don't know if it's hitting something on this side, because it is pretty close, but it goes all the way down. Like, okay guys, I think we figured it out. I think the reason why it wasn't staying down is because obviously this has to latch onto something, because whenever you pop the hood doesn't go all the way up because this is still latched. Well, on this piece right here, there is nothing for that to latch onto, so whenever I'm closing the hood down, it just pops right back up because there's nothing, like, it's not holding it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill a little hole, like drill a little insert right there, so that the hood latch can actually have something to latch onto, because whenever they made it, I guess they didn't cut that out beforehand. So that's what we're dealing with right now. And I'm also dealing with a fitment issue on the driver's side, because it's not wanting to close down right on this side over here. Like, it will if I force it down, but it just comes back up, and then you have like a nasty gap right there, like that big, bro. It's a nasty gap, I'm not gonna lie. And part of it is because of the headlight, but yeah, not all of it. And then this gap right here is kind of nasty. But the gap over here is also kind of nasty. So I'll have to push in the fenders a little bit on both sides, which isn't a problem, but the hood looks sick though. Definitely looks sick. It's just, this side's fitment is just nasty, bro. Like, it's like a whole inch gap. Like, even whenever I close, like, try and like latch down the front, bro, it's like a, you see it, it's like a whole inch gap on this side. And at first I'm thinking like maybe it's hitting something, but I really can't see anything there that is hitting. It looks so chopped from the back, bro. Look, my bracket back here that holds my turbo up to the chassis, it broke. This side broke already. I think I got showed you guys one time in a video a while back, but now this side broken, so I have to fix that today. So I have to go to Lowe's, get some hardware, some washer, stuff like that. But sheesh, that hood though, how you guys can see it in the sun. I have fingerprints and like everything all over it still. I haven't washed it or anything, but I just wanted to give you guys a better look at it. Sheesh. Carbon fiber hitting too. Just don't look at the fingerprints, bro. And see, now I'm and it looks like there's like a huge gap on this side, which is really just because my headlight is really separated right here, and I hate it. I actually need to redo this. I need to like clean it out and push the headlight up inside of the housing. But yeah, that's why this side looks a little off. Look at this side, not too bad. See, but now what I was saying was, now I don't know if I want to keep the hood exposed carbon whenever I do the new wrap, because I am ordering the new wrap next week. And I've just been thinking, I don't know if I should keep it exposed carbon or wrap it the same color as the car and just have this exposed carbon just to vent. I don't know. I think I might do it just to start, or I don't know. I might just do it, and then if I ever get tired of it, I'll just take it off. That's how she's looking, guys. It looks so aggressive. It looks so aggressive, bro. It looks so good. Guys, let me know what you guys think of the hood. I know there's a more aggressive style hood, but I really like this one. This is more sleek. This one's more simple in my opinion, but it still makes the car look so aggressive. Like this angle right here where the fender and the hood is like together, bro, the photos from right here are gonna look so crazy, bro. Oh my god, dude, it looks so sick. Alright guys, so that's probably going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. Let me know what you guys think of the hood. Let me know down in the comments right now. And comment what color you think we're going to do on the Z. Because a lot of people are guessing Nardo Gray for some reason. But no, it's not going to be Nardo. Try and guess what color I'm going to be doing. I know that none of you guys are going to get it. But it's going to be sick. I'm telling you. It's going to be so sick. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. I will see you guys in the next one. We have more content coming on the way, so stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, all of that. Peace.